Hi guys, let's differentiate each of these using the product rule of differentiation. So let's differentiate the first one, that is a dy over dx would be. Now let me introduce you all to the product rule of differentiation, which says d over dx of the two factors, that is u and v, is equals to u times differentiation of v plus v times differentiation of u. So let's differentiate using this rule. Let this factor be u and let this factor be v. Now follow the rule and differentiate, so that will be u, that is x minus 2, differentiation of v, that is 3 minus 4x, plus u times the differentiation of v, that is x square minus 2. And this is equals to x square minus 2 times the differentiation of 3 minus 4x means minus 4, plus 3 minus 4x times the differentiation of x square minus 2 means 2x. So we are done with the differentiation. Now let's simplify a bit. Multiply this 2, that will be minus 4x plus 8, plus now multiply this 2, that is 6x minus 8x square. Now combine these two like terms, which will be minus 12x square plus 6x plus 8. So this is the final answer. Now what I want to do is verify this answer using the general rule of differentiation. When we multiply these two factors, y will be equals to 3x squared minus 4x cubed minus 6 plus 8x. Now let's find dy over dx, which will be equals to differentiation of 3x squared means 6x minus differentiation of 4x cubed means 12x squared, and the differentiation of minus 6 is 0, plus the differentiation of 8x is 8. So you see that we are getting the same answer. So which means the product rule of differentiation is verified. Now let's differentiate for part B. So dy over dx is equals to, and this is where the product rule of differentiation becomes very important. Now you look at this function, we cannot expand this function because look at the exponent, there are 2 and 5, and if you want to expand this, it will take hours and most probably you will end up with the wrong answer. So the best thing is to follow the product rule of differentiation. Let this part be u, let this part be v. So first we keep u as it is, that is 3x squared minus 2 whole square, and then we differentiate v, that is 3x minus 1 raised to 5. Now we keep b as it is, that is 3x minus 1 raised to 5, and then differentiate v, that is 3x squared minus 2 raised to 2. So it becomes 3x squared minus 2 whole square, and the differentiation of this one would be bring exponent 5 in the front, write the same base, subtract 1 from the exponent, that is 5 minus 1 will be 4, and then you differentiate the base, that is 3x minus 1, and that is going to be 3, plus 3x minus 1 raised to 5. To differentiate this one, bring the exponent 2 in the front, write the same base, that is 3x squared minus 2, and subtract 1 from the exponent, that is going to be 1, and then you differentiate the base, that is 3x squared minus 2, which is going to be 6x. So that's it, we have differentiated this. Now let's simplify this expression and write it in a proper form. Now you look for the like term in this expression. I can take one of this 3x squared minus 2 from both of these. So take that out, 3x squared minus 2, this will be one factor. 3x minus 1 raised to 4 is present in both of these, so I can take it out, 3x minus 1 raised to 4. And now you open the bracket. So on this part I have 5 times 3, which is 15, and one of this 3x squared minus 2, plus on this part what is left will be one of this 3x minus 1 and 2 times 6x, that is 12x. So this becomes 3x squared minus 2, 3x minus 1 raised to 4. Multiply this 2, that is going to be 45x squared minus 30, plus now multiply this 2, that is going to be 36x squared minus 12x. So the final simplified answer will be 3x squared minus 2 times 3x minus 1 raised to 4 times, I can combine this 2, which will be 81x squared minus 12x minus 30. So this will be the most simplified answer. Now let's look at this last part where 90% of the students get confused and end up with the wrong answer. Because in this case, you have 3 separate factors, but it follows the same product rule of differentiation. So dy over dx would be equals to, first you keep these two factors same, that is x squared times 2x minus 1 whole cube, and then you differentiate the third factor, that is x square minus 2 raised to 5, plus now you keep these two factors same, that is 2x minus 1 whole cube times x square minus 2 raised to 5, and you differentiate this x cube, d over dx of x cube, plus now you keep these two factors same, that is x cube times x square minus 2 raised to 5, and then differentiate this one. So this is how you differentiate using the product rule of differentiation when you have three factors. Keep the two factors same, differentiate the third one, and do this again for the other factors. Now I want to leave here and just give you the final answer, that is x square times 2x minus 1 whole square times x square minus 2 raised to 4 times 22x cubed minus 3x square minus 24x plus 6. So this is going to be the simplified final answer for this differentiation. So guys, please drop yes or no in the comment section whether you have arrived to this answer or not.